Greetings and welcome back. We are now doing exercise 6.3, configure the advanced share settings of the network. This is where you can share one file to the other. And as you can see, we don't have that much in this lab, so we'll probably do both of them together. We're going to close out of this again. And we're still logged into London CL1. They ask you what this is. If you want to go in here, you can. When it has Ethernet adapter, what type of network location is Ethernet connected using to. And if you want to go look at this, go to Network Sharing Center, right click on that, then you can see the Ethernet here. When you have a second Ethernet adapter, if you just go here, change adapter settings, you can see both of them, right? This is a Microsoft Hyper-V, and they're both Hyper-Vs. Choose advanced settings, go back one. Just get rid of this one altogether. Choose advanced setting and sharing. And then they ask you stuff on this right here. Is the network discovery on or off? Is the file and printer sharing on or off? And you can go and look at these. Select the turn on sharing so anyone with the network access can read and write to files. So you turn that one on. Pretty simple. That's why we're just going to go into the next one. Save changes. Go to next exercise. This one is configuring firewalls. It's kind of a more interesting one. You definitely need a network firewall, and you still want to have a firewall for your PC. So you log into London CL1. Again, we're still there. Going to get rid of this. Sorry about that. I had that abort screen on there, and all I had to do was refresh the screen. That's the first time I saw that. So I actually went up here to the corner and hit the refresh screen. Hopefully you can saw that. So we're logged into London CL1. Oh, we went all the way back to the beginning. Let's get to the right exercise. So configuring a Windows firewall, we're logged into here. Right click and go to Control Panel. Go to System and Security. Go to Windows Firewall. And from here they ask a question, but on the Windows Firewalls page, in the left pane, click Advanced Setting. So we go to Advanced Settings. On the right, outbound rules, click new rule. Go right here. If I could read. Oh, outbound rules. New rule. Select program. Sorry. Run type. Select program. Next. And then they want to go to browse and go to the files here. I just like cutting and pasting, but you can go look at these if you like, go all the way through these steps, but I am not putting the last part of that, the iExplorer. I'm just showing you that when you go to this file, you'll see iExplorer right here. Open. Next. Block content right here. This is where you want to block stuff from the what you want to do, and we're going to block IE. And then we're going to click domain private and public, and then click next. They're already checked when you go into here. Hit next. I want to put a name of IE restrictions. And this for description. Excuse me, for a name, and then this for a description. I can actually copy that. If you actually looked at it, it says restrict IE from connecting to the internet. Click finish. I did. And all we want to do is print screen this. Right click IE restrictions. Excuse me, I went back too far. You got to go back over to the outbound rule. Right click IE restriction and delete. Click yes to delete a restriction. That's today's lab. We'll finish up on the next lab here shortly. Thank you for listening.